Hey there, Matt here, and one of the common questions I get is how profitable is a food truck or food trailer? At the end of the day, it really comes down to you and operating just like any other business, okay? But probably what I can tell you is some customer stories from the past. I've had many people literally gotten their last dollar together to get going in their food truck or their food trailer, and basically what happened is they just put all their energy into it and made really, really good money. To give you some examples, I've had people come through and go to festivals, and they go to festivals and literally sell out of the food on the first day, and then run around and get enough food for the next day and get double the order and literally pay half their food trailer off in a simple 3-day festival. Now that's not normal, but if you wanted to look at rough numbers of what you can do, if you turn over, as in sell $1,000 a day worth of actual goods, okay, so actual orders, okay, you would expect about $300 a day in materials. You might spend a couple of $100 in labour, so to make about a $500 a day profit. Pretty damn good. That's half of most people's wages per week. You can start off doing it part-time and then working it full-time. Hopefully that helps you to understand how profitable a food trailer or a food truck is.